This is my Autel Maxi Scan MS300 OBD2 scan tool, and I know I have owned this for at least 10 years. This is one of the first scan tools that I purchased, and if you're looking for a no frills, budget friendly scan tool that'll just read codes, erase codes, basic stuff, definitely give this some consideration. Now, I have more expensive scan tools that I use, and they have their place for when I'm trying to diagnose my vehicle. But if you simply want to read code, something that's dependable, budget friendly, then it's hard to go wrong with this. And again, I've had this for 10 years. You just plug it up to your OBD2 port, read the code, find the code, go off and do research. If you need to clear the code, a few buttons here, you click down, you hit clear, you clear the code. One thing I like to do with these budget friendly ones is to keep them in the center console of my vehicles. So as I have issues, I don't need to pull the expensive scan tool out. I just go to my center console, hook these up, and I'm able to figure out where I am. You know, if my car shuts off on me or I'm having issues, I'm able to figure out on the spot, okay, what could possibly be wrong with it. Or if I'm out and somebody else has a problem, I'm able to let them use this to hopefully get some more insight into what's wrong with their vehicle. So if you need a budget-friendly code reader, no frills, definitely give this Autel some consideration.